What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to get old Opera GX back. So, you might be wondering how to exactly revert to the older UI here for Opera GX. Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So, the thing with Opera GX is they've obviously made some updates and some changes on Opera GX. Now, if you want to access the older UI here, well, this one is actually pretty easy. So, first things first, you want to open up Opera GX and basically open it up. And you want to go to the top right here. Now, at the top right, you should see a filter or easy setup icon. So you want to go ahead and just press on it. Now, by the way, this is next to this icon here, or the Opera account or account icon, but let's go and just click on the easy setup. Now, from here, as you can see, there's like two options under presets. Now, you have two options here. You have the latest version for Opera GX, but if you want to access the older UI, you could go and choose the GX Classic, which in this case, you should give you this look here. Now, nothing much changes here, besides the actual spacing that was changed in here. But if you want to see more, you could go and click on Show All here, and you should be able to see some mods that you may want to apply. But obviously, you may need to log in into your Opera GX here in order for you to start using it. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.